Hi, Mark Taylor here with NARSA and IDEA. Just want to remind you to register for the spring conference coming up May 5th and 6th in Houston, Texas. Over the last year, we have received feedback from our members and board members about programming and the things that they would like to see in order to become more successful in this industry. So we've listened to those comments and we have taken and put together, with the help of staff and Don Hart's Radiator, we have put together a program that we think is just exceptional. So on Thursday, Don Hart's Radiator is going to host us, and we are going to start off the day with a presentation by L&M Radiator, and they'll talk about Masabi radiators and cooling, or developments in cooling. And then we go to a presentation by Don Hart's and a tour of Don Hart's facility. And then we have a round robin of different demonstrations. And that will include new developments in gas tank repair, presented by Gas Tank Renew. We'll have a representative from Multi-Wing talk about adjustable fans and how to set up fans with the proper pitch. We'll have a welding instructor demonstrating how to choose and set the equipment for TIG welding. We'll also have the Miller welding truck there that will have the latest and greatest welding machines that you can look at. And then we're also going to round out the day with demonstrations of aqueous DPF cleaning machines. So you don't want to miss this. This is going to be a spectacular event. On Friday, we roll in where our programming will be held at the Marriott Hotel. It's called the Houston City Place Marriott. It's in Spring Woods Village, Texas. And it's very close to Don Hart's. So we'll be there on Friday, and we have about 5 hours of programming, everything from DEF fluid for emission systems on trucks, and then heavy duty coolants that Joe Long will talk about. Then we have Titan X will be giving a presentation about EV cooling systems and EV trucks and what those cooling systems are going to look like. So there may be opportunities for our industry to be supplying or servicing those cooling systems in the future. We're also going to have Mary Kelly talk about leadership and the economy today and what that looks like today and in the near future. We're going to have an awards banquet, a short awards ceremony during lunch, and after lunch we'll roll into our tabletop exhibition and then end up Friday afternoon. So please go to narsa-idea.org. You can get more information about the conference there, along with the registration for this conference. So we look forward to seeing you.